At BlendJet, we revolutionized on-the-go nutrition, and we invented the portable blender.
BlendJet gives people the power to have something nutritious and delicious anytime, anywhere.
We also sell consumables like our Jetpack ready-to-blend smoothies, protein smoothies, and lattes.
And that enabled us to create a subscription model so customers can get their favorite smoothie mixes on the go.
At the peak of last holiday season, we were selling one item every 1.5 seconds.
When we hit our peak season, we need something that's reliable. So many other software systems that retailers rely on are such bloated software systems and they don't talk to each other.
I don't want the weight on my shoulders of 1 million people hitting my website simultaneously, and then if it goes down, getting that call from my VP of marketing going, hey, the website's down, can you fix it? No, thank you. Shopify gives me confidence to be able to sleep at night and know that no matter what, that infrastructure is rock solid.
I've worked at some of the largest retailers on the planet, and you think they all have it figured out, but Shopify really does.
And then they keep doing these new releases, and every time there's a release, there's just 100 incredible new features, and I don't pay any more money.
And with every new release, it has become a bigger and bigger return on our investment.
One of the new features that we've really benefited from is the new checkout, which increased our conversion rate 3 to 5%, and we didn't really have to do anything.
Just overnight, oh, we put this upgrade on your checkout. I make more money every single day as a result. That's the amazing thing about Shopify is they have this undying commitment on making your checkout perform the best.
It's literally helped us grow from a 7-figure business to a 9-figure business.
Shopify is perfect for if you're a tiny little startup and you have no budget, and it's perfect for if you're a multi-billion-dollar company and you want the best software in the world.